Today we're going to talk about anxiety. Now, you may have heard of panic attacks, panic disorder, anxiety disorders. They are quite similar and quite frequent among the population that actually is on TikTok, young people, especially young ladies. Symptoms usually include sudden onset, shortness of breath, heart racing, chest tightness, chest pain. You may feel hot, you may feel cold, you may feel tingling in your limbs, you may feel like you're going to faint, you may feel like your body is just not your body. Only you can explain. Well, nobody else understands. The symptoms of anxiety attack are varied, they're frightening, they are debilitating, and most people end up rushing to the emergency room or to the doctor thinking they're having a heart attack or some other serious catastrophic health event is happening. Now, if you have those symptoms, the first thing you need to do is to relax and get medical help, because you may not know that is in fact anxiety. It may mimic other health emergencies such as a heart attack or even a lung infection. So the first thing to do is to get checked out properly, and there are some tests that you will need to get done, such as a chest x-ray, blood work to see if you're anemic. You may need even ECG. These tests would help your doctor to rule out other possible complications, and these are especially important if you're an adult or you're elderly. If you're young and you're stressed, this may be a trigger for the anxiety. And once you've been properly diagnosed, there are some simple things that you can do to reduce the frequency and the severity of the attacks and even get rid of it completely. Now, the most important method that I recommend for my patients is breathing. What kind of breathing? Box breathing. Now imagine a four-sided figure, a box, 1, 2, 3, 4. And each side of this box is time, 4 seconds. So you're going to breathe in a 4-box pattern. And this will help to reduce your anxiety symptoms significantly. So let me show you how to do box breathing. So imagine this box. One side, you breathe in for 4 seconds. You hold your breath for 4 seconds. You breathe out for 4 seconds. Hold again for 4 seconds. That's one box completed. Now you should practice doing this 10 times or as many times as possible until you get it really good. So when you feel your anxiety coming on or your panic attack coming on, you begin your box breathing, and it helps to calm you down and get rid of the symptoms within a few seconds. Also, you might find things like soursop leaf tea to be very, very helpful if you're in Jamaica. Other types of teas, chamomile tea, can help to calm you down and reduce the frequency and severity of your anxiety attacks. Try to be around people that you love, talk, communicate, get busy. When you're alone and uninvolved, that's when anxiety is at its worst. If you're involved and distracted, it tends not to be so bad. I've treated many patients, and I know, yes, the patients need a lot of reassurance and a lot of communication, and it can be difficult for the patient and the doctor, and even more so for the relatives who may feel helpless in the event of an anxiety attack. But guess what? Anxiety attack is not fatal. It has never killed anyone. Yes, you may feel weak, you may actually faint, but you won't die. So don't let the fear of death cripple you. Fight back and win against anxiety. You can do it. Remember, box breathing. 4 seconds in, 4 seconds hold, 4 seconds out, and 4 second hold. That could be the secret to beating anxiety.